Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet.
Meadowsweet has been used to reduce pain for hundreds and likely thousands of years. Then in 1827, researchers identified and isolated salicylic acid from meadowsweet leaves. In the typically reductionist manner of Western science, it was determined that this single constituent was responsible for meadowsweet's pain-relieving abilities. But there was one problem. Taken by itself, salicylic acid created many other problems, including stomach bleeding. It wasn't until 1897 that Felix Hoffmann figured out how to chemically alter salicin, taken from the meadowsweet plant, to render it less troublesome for the stomach. Hoffmann's new chemical was named Aspirin and was officially patented and sold by Bayer in 1900. Aspirin became a widely used medicine fairly quickly, and this was the beginning of the class of drugs today known as NSAIDs. Aspirin is still one of the most widely used drugs on the market, with 40,000 tons of it being consumed each year around the world. Most people tend to think of over-the-counter medicines as being safe. However, according to the American Gastro Association, every year the side effects of NSAIDs hospitalize over 100,000 people and kill 16,500 people in the US alone. The most common side effects of aspirin include bleeding, ulcers, and tinnitus. Ironically, or perhaps notably, meadowsweet is commonly used by herbalists to heal the problems that aspirin creates. By isolating certain constituents within meadowsweet and turning it into aspirin, we've left out the natural buffering agents found in the whole plant. So rather than think of the benefits of meadowsweet herb as a simple, natural form of aspirin, there's a lot more to this plant. Here's what I mean. For one thing, meadowsweet modulates inflammation and it reduces pain. So as mentioned, meadowsweet is high in salicylic acid, which is well known for its ability to relieve pain. However, meadowsweet's ability to relieve pain isn't because of a single constituent. Undoubtedly, its ability to modulate inflammation is also due to flavonoids and tannins, not to mention aromatics. Meadowsweet seems especially suited to stagnant pain. That's pain that's fixed in a location, possibly with a pounding sensation. It's also helpful when there are symptoms of heat, such as redness, acute swelling, and tissues that feel warm when you touch them. Take headaches, for example. Meadowsweet is especially suited to headaches in which the person has a hot head and feels a pounding sensation in their head. Meadowsweet is cooling and it promotes circulation, which can relieve the stagnant energy causing the headache. Meadowsweet can also address systemic pain and inflammation. Besides having the ability to relieve pain, meadowsweet also modulates that inflammation that might be causing the pain. Taken daily as a tea or tincture, it can help relieve chronic arthritic pain and inflammation. Researchers have shown that the polyphenols within meadowsweet can strongly modulate inflammation in vitro, but there are probably many constituents within meadowsweet that attribute to its anti-inflammatory abilities.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.